Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download VoiceMode on PC. So all you need to do is open any browser and then type in VoiceMode download PC. You will see this first link. This is the official website. You press on it. Now you can press on download for free here or here. Once you press on it, it will be redirected to a page where you need to input your email and you create an account first. After you verify your email, the download will start immediately. I already done this step, that's why it starts downloading immediately. And after, you will find it downloaded here, and that's it. Now all you need to do is press on this. It will ask you, do you want to allow to make changes? Yes, press on yes. Now language, you can choose one of these languages here. I will choose English, okay. And then next, accept, next, choose the location, then next, and then next, next. Wait for it until it finishes installing. After it finishes installing, now you can use VoiceMode on your PC easily, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.